that lemonade. And it's so good. The mac and cheese white truffle is the best macaroni cheese ever. You gotta try it. And it's cheap. It's like $4. Right? Right. What did we find?
A shovel!
We found a shovel! Pick it up! Pick it up! Pick it up! Come on, pick it up! Hurry up! Run, Esmeralda! Run before they see you! Run! Run! Yes! We found a shovel, but we lost our shoes. Who forgets their shoes at the beach? Who does? I guess we did, so we're trying to find them. Oh, we found them! Oh my god. What the hell? Whew. Gotta put some sandals on.
I can just pretend. Welcome to my crib.
Oh my god, where?
Should I touch it?
Yeah, touch
Should
it.
I touch it?
Yeah, touch it. Go. Oh my god, there she goes.